Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome to Shri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes, class 6th fractions part 3. Today we'll study how to add or subtract the fractions. Before going to this, let me revise previous class. We have studied proper, improper, mixed, like, unlike. These types of so total 5 types of fractions we have studied. Also we have studied equivalent fractions and how to simplify the fraction to make the fraction to get into simplest form. Fine. Proper fraction. Numerator will be smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction. Numerator will be larger than the denominator. Mixed fraction. It includes whole and a part. Fine. Like fractions having same denominator, that is 1 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3. See, here the denominators are same, so they can be considered as like fractions. Unlike fractions. Among these three, denominators are different. All three fractions have different denominators. So they can be considered as unlike fractions. Observe here, this one and this one. They have same numerator but different denominator. So we can consider it as unlike fractions with same numerator. If we compare 7 by 8, these two. If we compare 7 by 8 and 2 by 3, numerators are also different, denominators are also different. These can also be considered as unlike fractions even with different numerators too. Fine. So we'll see now answers for previous assignment questions. Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour while Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? Here what they are saying is, in an hour they have divided 1 hour, a single hour, into 6 parts. In that 6 parts, only 3 part of an hour Rafiq has exercised. Rohit, what about Rohit? In 1 hour, he has divided into 4 parts. Fine. In 4 parts, only 3 parts Rohit has exercised. They are asking us who has exercised for a longer time. Now we need to compare both fractions. Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour. That is 3 by is equals to 3 by 6. Rohit exercised for 3 by 4th of an hour. 3 by 4. Right? Before comparing, we need to see 3 by 6 and 3 by 4 we have. Before, if we want to compare two fractions, we need to make sure that they have both the fractions have same denominator. Same denominator means now we are going to take the LCM 6 and 4. 6, 4. 6 and 4 both will come in 2 ones are table. 2 3s are 2 2s are. We need to bring as much as possible to the simplest form, means 1. Okay. 3 as it is we can give. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is. Now let's multiply. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So now we'll make sure that both the denominators will be 12. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 12 1s are 12. 12 is here. Then how this 6 comes? Now the question is, we'll write, see, before writing this whole thing, what we'll do is 12. 6, how much are 12? 6 2s are 12. This 2 will multiply with the numerator, that is 3 2s are 6. 6 by 12, as here they have written it, 6 by 12. Right? As we know that denominator we got it as 12. Even for 3 by 4 we will write bar 12. Denominator first we will write. Then 4, how much are 12? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. This 3 will multiply it with numerator. 3 3s are 9. 9 by 12. Right? 9 by 12. Now, if the denominators are same, it is very easy to compare the fractions. Let's compare now. 9 by 12 and 6 by 12. If a box is divided into 12 parts, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 9 by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Other one is 6 by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, when you compare both the boxes, 9 by 12. So, shaded part higher is 9. Greater shaded part we can find in this box. So, 9 by 12 is greater. What is the basic fraction of 9 by 12? It is 3 by 4. So, 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 6. What is this 3 by 6? 6 by 12's basic fraction. 3 by 6. So, 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 6. Hence, Rohit exercised for longer time. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So, Rohit exercised for 3 by 4th of an hour. So, Rohit exercised for longer time. Ramesh had 20 pencils, Sheelu had 50 pencils and Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Sheelu used up 25 pencils and Jamal used up 40 pencils. Even in your home, your parents will bring you a complete pencil box. After few days, when you start using the pencils will get reduced, right? Think that 10 pencils are there in a box. After some days, you use it 4 pencils. Then 6 pencils are remaining. Pencils have got less in number. In the same way, Ramesh had 20 pencils in the beginning. After 4 months, he used up 10 pencils. Sheelu had 50 pencils in the beginning. Later, 25 pencils she used up. Jamal had 80 pencils. He used up 40 pencils. What fraction did each use up? So, we need to find what fraction of pencils they have used. Check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencils. After finding the fraction, how much fraction of whole pencils they have used, let's compare. Have they used equal fraction or what? Ramesh used up 10 pencils out of 20 pencils. So, the whole is 20. Part is 10. Number of pencils used is 10. So, the 10 comes in the numerator and 20 will be in the denominator. Whole and part. whole was 20 and 20 part 10 is written in the place of numerator. Now let's take it into the simplest form. 10 ones are 10 twos are, that is 1 by 2. Next, Shilu used up 25 pencils out of 50 pencils. So total pencils were 50, whole thing 50. How much pencils she used? Out of 50 is 25, which comes in the numerator. 25 by 50. Now let's divide both the numerator and denominator by 25, because 50 will come in 25 table 2. 25 ones are 25 twos are, that is 1 by 2. Even through 5 ones also you can do, but it takes a bit lengthy step here. Let me show it. If it is 25 by 50, 25 by 50, 5 5s are 25, 5 10s are 50, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Even here you got 1 by 2 answer. Fine. If you don't know 25 table, even from 5 table also you can divide. So the fraction, least fraction we got simplest form is 1 by 2. So Shilu used up 1 by 2 of total pencils she had in the beginning. Jamal used up 40 pencils out of 80. The whole is 80 and the part of 80 is 40, which comes in the numerator. Let's cancel. 41s are 42s. Even one more thing you can do. 4 10s are 40, 4 20s are 10 ones are 10 twos, 1 by 2. The ultimate goal is to bring the fraction into the simplest form. Next. So now after comparing all these three people's the amount of pencils used, we'll get that 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So equally they have used their pencils. Yes, each has used up an equal fractions, that is 1 by 2. Now let's see how to add or subtract fraction. Adding and subtracting fractions. When we have to add or subtract the fractions, we first find equivalent fractions with same denominator and then proceed. So we need to compare both the fractions. We need to see both the fractions. If they have different denominator, then we need to take LCM. 5, 3. See, both 5 and 3, they don't come in the same table. So directly we can multiply. 5 3s are 15. Fine. So 5 3s are 15. They have written here, right? 5 3s are 15. But numerator, as I said, we need to multiply. 5 how much are 15? 5 3s are. 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are. So this 3 and 5, we need to multiply them with numerator. 3 into 2 divided by 5 3s are, that is what, 15. We are going to write 5 3s are 15 plus 1 into 5 divided by 3 into how much? 3 into 5. When, say now, 3 2s are 6 by 15 plus 5 ones are 5 by 5 3s are 15. Now, when you compare the denominators, both have same denominator. So, we can directly add up the numerator, that is 6 plus 5 divided by 15. 6 divided by 15 plus 5 by 15. Even by separating also you can write them. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 by 15. Now let's see how to subtract the fraction. Three by 4 from 5 by 6. That is 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. You need to write 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. This is the method to write the fraction while subtracting. Okay. As they have written here. Now 6 and 4. 6 and 4 both will come in same table. Okay. In 2 ones are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So we can take LCM here. 6, 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 3 as it is. Okay, 3 as it is. Now let's multiply everything. 2 into 2 into 3, 3 into 1. 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 4 3s are 12. 12 into 1 is 1. 12 into 1 is 12. Right? This 12, we'll write it in the denominator. Fine. Now we'll multiply. 6, how much are 12? 6 2s are 12. 4, how much are 12? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Let's multiply. 5 2s are 10 minus as it is 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 by 12. How it comes? Fine. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 divided by 12. How do we add or subtract mixed fraction? See, you can see 8 is to 1 by 4 minus 2 is to 5 by 6. So, when mixed fractions are there, we can't directly go for adding or subtracting them. We need to make it into proper or improper fraction. We need to convert it. How do we do that? 8 fours are, we need to multiply this denominator with whole and then add 1. 8 into 4 plus 1, denominator as it is, 4 it will be. Then 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33 divided by 4. Next fraction let's consider. 2 is to 5 by 6. 6 into 2 plus 5. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Denominator remains the same. Fine. Now let's compare, let's subtract both the fraction. We need to subtract now these two. 33 by 4 minus 17 by 6. So you can observe they don't have same denominators. Now we need to take again LCM. 6 and 4 as I shown in last problem 2. 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 as it is. Let's take one more time. 2 1s are 2. If you multiply again, you'll get 12. So 12 is the LCM. 4, how much are 12? 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 6, how much are 12? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 33 into 3 divided by 12, because as we got LCM 12, the denominator will be 12, minus 17 into 2 divided by 12. 33 into 3 is 99, minus as it is 17 2s are 34, 9 divided by 12. Denominator doesn't change, it remains as it is. Fine. 99 minus 34 is 65 by 12. Now as they gave us in the form of mixed fraction, let's convert the same thing into mixed. 65 divided by 12. 12 5s are 60. What remains? In 5 nothing goes, 5 remains, 6 in 6 if the 6 goes, 0. So how do we write this? This 5 will come as a part divided by 12. The remaining whole thing is 5. 5 is to 5 by 12. Sarita brought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita brought 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of ribbon they brought? They are asking total length. The lengths are given in meter and the lengths are in fraction for one more thing. They are asking us total. Total means you are going to add them. Fine. So, we are going to add the fractions. Length of ribbon brought by Sarita is 2 by 5 meter. Length of ribbon brought by Lalita is 3 by 4 meter. Length of ribbon brought by Sarita and Lalita, both together, how much they brought? That is equals to 2 by 5 meter plus 3 by 4 meter. This is equals to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. We are taking it in a bracket and we are separating meter because it becomes clumsy to do the problem. So, meter. As it is common also. Fine. Here different denominators are there. We need to take LCM if they come in a same table. If they don't come in same table, direct multiply. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 will take. So 5 how much are? 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 4 how much are 20? 4 5s. So now 2 into 4 whole divided by 5 into 4 as the denominator is going to be 20 plus 3 into 5 divided by 4 into 5 because 4 into 5 is 20. The denominator should remain same. This is equals to 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20 plus as it is 5 3s are 15 divided by 4 5s are 20. 8 by 20 plus 15 by 20. 8 plus 15. Now the denominators are same, so we can write like this: 8 plus 15 whole thing divided by 20. 8 plus 15 is 23. Denominators remain same. 23 divided by 20 meter because the ribbon length is given in the meter. Or else you can write only small letter m in short. Complete the addition subtraction box. See, this arrow means in the row form you are going to add and in the column form you are going to minus the fractions or subtract them. Let's see. Let's consider first row. This is first row, this is second and this is third. Column is vertically. We consider column vertically. First column, second column, third column. So, in the first row, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Denominators are same. We can go for direct addition. 2 plus 4 whole divided by 3. 2 plus 4 is 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. 2 by 1. If the denominator is 1, if we don't write 1, it is considered, it is not wrong. It can be considered as only 2 only. Right? Numerator and denominator both they are dividing here by 3 or else direct division as I shown now. 3 ones are 3 twos are you can do. Right? Now let's come to row 2. 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. As they are saying row wise addition, so we are taking it as plus sign. Fine. We are adding them. denominators are same, add the numerator. 2 plus 1 divided by 3, that is 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. So answer is 1. Subtraction, column wise. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. As column wise they are asking us to subtract, we will use the sign minus. We will subtract them. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 minus 1, because denominators are same. 2 minus 1 whole divided by 3. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 3. Column number 2. This column. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Even here denominators are same. Add up the or subtract the numerators. 4 minus 2 divided by 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 3 can't be simplified further. So keep it as it is. Now enter them. Row 1. The answer is 2. Row 2. Answer is 1. Column 1. Answer is 1 by 3. Column 2. Answer is 2 by 3. Fine. Now coming to the last row. 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. As we need to add them. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Denominators are same. Add up the numerator. This is equals to 2 plus 1 divided by 3. 3 by 3 ones are 3 ones are. So answer is 1. Thank you. Jai Sir.